In the flow of time, generations come and go, yet the bond of blood, love, and gratitude never ends. In Indian tradition, Shraddh is a sacred ritual, a bridge of remembrance between the living and their ancestors. Shraddh is performed specially during Pitru Paksh, the fortnight dedicated to our forefathers. The word Shraddh itself comes from Shraddha, meaning faith, devotion, and respect. Though this ritual, a family offers food, water, and prayers to their ancestors, believing that the energy of this offering reaches them in the subtle world. But why do we do it? Because life is not just about moving forward, it is also about honoring where we came from. Our parents, grandparents, and those before them. They carried the weight of survival. They sacrificed. They nurtured. And they passed the torch of life to us. Without them, we wouldn't be here. Shraddh is a way of saying thank you, of acknowledging their unseen presence and seeking their blessing for peace, prosperity, and protection. It is also said in scriptures that when we feed the needy, offer water, and remember our ancestors with love, their soul feel peace, and when they are at peace, blessing flows back to in our lives like gentle river. Shraddh is not about fear, it is about gratitude. It is not about death, it is about continuity. It is not just ritual, it is remembrance, respect, and love. So when you light the lamp, when you offer the simple food, remember you are not just performing a tradition, you are keeping alive an eternal bond between souls. And that bond, my friend, is what makes a family truly immortal. What exactly happened in Shraddh? The ritual always begins with a prayer remembering the name of ancestors, usually up to three generations father, grandfather, great grandfather, and the mother of each line. Their names are spoken with reverence, inviting their blessing, offering water, tarpan. Water mixed with black sesame seed, barley, or kusha grass is offered while chanting mantras. This is believed to quench the thirst of ancestors' souls and bring them peace. Food offering, pindadan, rice balls, that is pind, mixed with ghee, honey, and sesame are offered to ancestors. Symbolically, this is a food for the soul. It shows love and care as if you are still feeding them. Feeding the needy cow and crows. Food is prepared and offered to Brahmins, saints, or needy people. In many places, food is also offered to cows and crows, considered messengers between the human and spiritual realms. Prayer for peace and blessing. The ritual ends with a prayer for the ancestors' soul to attain peace, moksha, and to shower their blessing on the family. The essence, you're not just performing a ritual, you're showing love, respect, and gratitude. You're saying, I remember you, I thank you, I honor the life you gave me. It's like keeping a promise to your roots, ensuring that your family tree remains nourished with both memory and blessing. Shraddh is not just a ritual, it's a mirror that reflects the deepest truth of life. It teaches us that we are not separate. We are the continuation of those who came before us. Their choice, their struggles, their sacrifices, and their love flows in our blood even today. By performing Shraddh, we learn the value of gratitude. That success is never only ours, it is built on the foundation laid by our ancestors. We learn humility, that no matter how far we rise, our roots keep us grounded. And we learn responsibility, that just as we honor those before us, one day we too will be remembered by those who come after. The benefit is not just spiritual, it is deeply personal. Shraddh brings peace to our minds, dissolves hidden guilt or regret, and create a sense of balance within the family. It is believed that when ancestors are at peace, obstacles in life reduce, prosperity flows, and harmony enters the home. More than anything, it awakens love in the heart, a love that crosses time and space, reminding us the bonds of the soul never die. So remember, Shraddh is not about death, it is about eternal connection, It is not about fear, it is about faith. It is not about the past, it is about the continuity, love and blessing that keep guiding us into the future. Thank you for watching this video and connecting to Spiritual Talks with Devshi Khanduri. Subscribe to my channel Devshi Khanduri Official if you love spiritual podcasts, and don't forget to follow me on Spotify for more soulful journey. See you again in our next podcast. Till then, take care of yourself and stay connected to the light within.